Good morning, good morning, good morning. How's everybody doing out there? Pandora, the postcard diva. Hope you're having a marvelous day. Today is Thankful Thursday. We're back. This is going to be short, guys. Just want to show you guys some results that I've gotten with this daily income method system really quick. But if you're here for the first time, do me a favor and smash that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. All right, if you haven't checked out my projects, make sure you go here to www.coffeeandcoins.info. This is where you can also get signed up for the daily income method, right? You can click here to join daily income method. You could also click this image, or you can click right here. Alrighty, well, we just got in this thing just a couple days ago, and we've been talking about it. I got involved because they have HBA in it, and I like the fact that I can promote one link, promote HBA, promote daily income method that pays out $200 commissions. HBA's funnel builder is what we're using in here. It's $25 a month and it pays out $20. So that's $220 off the top if folks go ahead and get signed up, right? And I can promote two of my other business opportunities in here. Okay, so we got started with this thing. And as you can see right here, I'm in here. Just want to show you real quick. Right here, see it says 200 bucks has come through. You can also go over here. When you click that commissions button, it'll show you the commissions here too, and it shows you the person that signed up. All right, so we have gotten our first commission in this program. We're ready to rock and roll. You see right here, guys, this is real. It's a real live feed showing commissions coming in. This says 10 minutes ago, all the folks that have earned commissions. All right. And so far, this program has paid out $325,000 in commissions. They went through the beta test in March, and I think it's only been out, what, a week or two or so, something like that. And that's what's been paid out in commissions. Of course, we can't make any income claims or any guarantees of what you would make, but the system does work. All right, just got to plug in. So let's go over something really quickly here. It's really a simple plug and play system. When you get logged in, right, you're going to go to coffeeandcoins.info. You can get started. When you log in, all right, you're going to get a welcome email from Daily Income System, Daily Income Method, okay? And then you come in here, right? It says see dashboard. That's where I am right here. Welcome back. Mac is right here, and he's going to tell you how to set everything up. See, it's very simple plug and play, so you don't have to worry about being techie or non-techie, any of those things. If you can press play, watch a video, okay? So start setting up your system. He's going to tell you how to do that, and then you just follow along on the left side of this thing here. All right, so you come here, you get set up, and then let me show you the products, because there are products in here, and I talked about this last night on a video. If you missed it, go check out my other videos. So you come over here, and they have products right here. It says access products, guys. Go through your training, okay? I know a lot of people purchase programs, they never even log in, okay? So you've got to go to your products, and you're going to come over here to Daily Income Method. All right, and get your training, marketing systems. They're going to give you some training step by step on how to, some strategies, right? And I talked about last night the 100,000 faceless reels that they're giving you that you can use. You can edit those, go in here, and you can drop these 60-second, 30 to 60-second videos, guys, on different platforms, okay? Or just focus on one platform. The point of the matter is there's content in here ready to go, faceless videos. So if you're concerned about being on camera, you can drop these, okay, and post them. And I did a little illustration really quickly on how you can do it using Canva. All right, so this thing does work. You just plug into everything, and then if you don't want to, right, do social media, guess what? You can click over here where it says buy traffic, and you can go to Udemy, and here's a video to tell you how to do that, where you can purchase a solo ad. All right, very affordable solo ad, and I have some of my own resources if you like to plug into those, let me know. Get started with me. Matter of fact, I just set up a campaign myself personally, so that should be running here shortly. And remember, when you come over here, we're using HBA as I mentioned before on my previous videos. So this is how you earn your residual through the lead capture page system. We're using this through Home Business Academy that's been around for 10 years. So right here, if you join this, it's $25 a month and you earn $20 residual commissions as long as people keep their funnel builder. And why wouldn't they? Because this is the system that you're using to collect your leads. All right, when people go to the capture page, put in their email, right? That's a capture page. That's what we're using with HBA. So you're able to use that, and HBA has their own emailer. So now you don't have to pay the separate monthly fee for emailing services. Okay, they only charge you when you use it. So you got a system that's $25 a month, but you're earning $20. All right, for everybody. So when people come here, they're more than likely, possibly, would choose this, and then you're going to earn $20, and then they turn around and buy this daily income method system. Now that's $200, guys. So the possibility of you earning $220 per sale is very well possible. Not to mention, there's other income streams in this platform, and we'll talk about that a little bit later. We've done that before, but there's other income streams in here, and you can add your own 2 income streams. So you see the possibility of promoting one link, collecting leads, so you're building your lists, and then earning residual and earning instant commissions, right? It's pretty powerful. All right, so anyway, that's it. That's all. Just wanted you guys to see that we did have a commission that has come in, and I would love to work with you and get some traffic over to your capture page so that you can start earning these commissions too. At least get the traction going, because you need to start getting eyeballs looking at the opportunity. That's the name of the game. Okay, that's it. That's really it. The more people you get to that capture page viewing the opportunity, the greater chances you getting some results, of course, and being consistent. All right, guys, that's it. That's all. Just want to let you guys see that this morning, that you can do this too. Plug and play, press play, watch these videos, plug in, and they also have a weekly webinar, by the way. So they've got some training, weekly training. All right, so that's it. Go check it out. Go to www.coffeeandcoins.info. Come here. As I mentioned, click this button to join the daily income method and use this free traffic method. That's what we're doing. Using free traffic. All right, guys, thank you so much for checking out the video. Like the video, please, and thank you. And on your way out, don't forget to smash that subscribe button for me, and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Till next time, be safe out there. See you on the next video. Have a blessed day.